Hey guys, we received this solar outdoor floor lamp for test and try. It's a waterproof with a remote control, brightness adjustment, 10 hours lasting, cordless tall floor lamp for yard. So let me just unbox this. So this is the top LED part, so which can have be charged by solar or by electric. So let's just show it to you. So you can see a solar panel on the top that you can use, or it can be used to charge it with the solar light, and then also have this USB thing that you can charge this. If there is no solar light, you can also use it by charging it through the electric plug, and then also have a base stand and the different functions. So let me just take out everything and show it to you. This also comes with this remote, so you can control it from a distance as well. So the base is really heavy. So this heavy base is good, like in case it can store with some wind or in the storm, it can withstand that. And also this have this small rods. You can just connect it with each other to make it a tall lamp. So this is also a ground thing. Like if you don't want to use the base, you can use this the rod and directly put on the dig into the ground. And the remote is also like requires two batteries, and then can be used to dim or on and off and everything with the different functions, and then use these connectors. So these is easy to install, straightforward. Just put rotate these rods on the top of this and just connect these with these connectors and use. So these are the metals one with the three brightness presets, 30%, 60%, or 100%. I will show you that one, and it can also change it automatically, charging during the daytime and then automatically turn on at the night. So it's a great feature and it's waterproof. So you can use this like if you want to dig it into the ground and the rod and you don't want to use the base. So it can be used as a anyway. So I just put it in the day, and this is the total height. As you can see, it's very sturdy base and can hold or stand here. So this on and off button here that you can use. So three brightness thing as I mentioned, and then off. So I put it in for the sun for some time to get it charged, so that I can show you in the dark how this behave. So this is in the dark, as you can see in the night. This is the full brightness, and it just start on its own. So this is automatically start and looks really nice. Covers a really nice brightness thing. So here I can control the brightness 60% or 30%, and then off. You can see like the dark, and when this is 100%, you can see a really bright light. So it's a very nice lamp, things with the waterproof thing, remote control and everything. Basically a very nice lamp. So the remote itself is nice because you have on and off switches. Also have the timer. You can increase the brightness. You can change the you know the color, and also like you can see like the different functions here. This have the timer as well, so you can use it to the timer thing. So it's auto, you can just choose, like it can choose on its own, and then you can put in the timer as well. So it's a very helpful remote and a very helpful lamp with the solar power, and you can also charge it, so you can use it two way, and the remote is helpful to control it from the distance. uh, and yeah, so there's no wire, so it's really nice and handy. So overall a very nice lamp.